Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Problems on some standard integrals. Some standard integrals. Okay, let us take the formulas. First one, integration of 1 by a square plus x square dx is equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. Then second one, integration of 1 by a square minus x square dx is equal to 1 by 2a into log of a plus x by a minus x plus c. The next one, integration of 1 by x square minus a square dx is equal to 1 by 2a into log of x minus a by x plus a plus c. Next one, fourth one, 1 by square root of a square minus x square dx is equal to sine inverse of x by a plus c. Next one, fifth one, integration of 1 by square root of a square plus x square dx is equal to sine hyperbolic inverse of x by a plus c. Next one, integration of 1 by x into square root of x square minus a square dx is equal to 1 by a secant inverse of x by a plus c. These are the 6 identities. Let us solve the problems on 6 identities. Okay, take down the identities. Integrate the following. Integrate the following. First one, integration of 1 by x square plus 16 dx. So he has given 1 by x square plus 16. Let us write this as an x square plus 4 square dx. So it is in the form of integration of 1 by x square plus a square dx is equal to 1 by 4 tan inverse of 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. Okay, so let us apply the formula here. 1 by, in the place of a, 4 is there, 1 by 4 tan inverse of x by 4 plus c. Okay, let us take the second problem. Second problem, integration of 1 by x square minus 36 dx. So let us write 36 as in 6 square, x square minus 6 square dx. So it is in the form of integration of 1 by x square minus a square dx, that can be written as x square minus a square dx can be written as 1 by 2a into log of x minus a by x plus a plus c. This is the identity how to apply here. In the place of a, here 6 is there, so 1 by 2 into 6 log of x minus 6 by x plus 6 plus c, that can be written as 1 by 12 log of x minus 6 by x plus 6 plus c. Okay, take down the next problem. So next one, third one, integration of 1 by 25 minus x square dx. So this can be written as 1 by a square minus x square dx. So you know the identity. The identity is 1 by a square minus, sorry, this is on 5 square, okay. Then a square minus x square dx is equal to 1 by 2a log of a plus x plus by a minus x plus c. That can be written as, if you apply that identity, means 1 by 2 into 5 into log of a means 5 plus x by 5 minus x plus c. That can be written as 1 by 10 log of 5 plus x by 5 minus x plus c. Okay, take down the next problem. Fourth one, integration of 1 by square root of 16 minus x square dx. Okay, this can be written as 1 by square root of 4 square minus x square dx. Then we know the identity, 1 by square root of a square minus x square dx. That can be written as sine inverse of x by a plus c. So let us apply the identity here. If you apply the identity, sine inverse of x by 4 plus c. Okay, take down the next problem. Integration of 1 by 4x square plus 25 dx. This can be written as integration of 1 by 2x whole square plus 5 square dx. So it is in the form of, so in this you can remove the common as in 4, or you can remove the common as in 4, or you can write like this also. Then if you remove here in this 4 as in common, x square plus 25 by 4 dx. Then 1 by 4 is a constant, 1 by x square plus 5 by 2 whole square dx. So it is in the form of x square plus a square. So x square plus a square means, so it is in the form of tan inverse x. Okay, integration of 1 by x square plus a square dx can be written as 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. Then here apply the formula here. 1 by 4 is a constant. 1 by a means 5 by 2 tan inverse of x by 5 by 2 plus c. Then 1 by 4, then 2 by 5, then tan inverse of 2x by 5 plus c. And that can be written as 2 1s are 2 2s are 1 by 10 tan inverse of 2x by 5 plus c. Okay, take down the next problem. Integration of 1 by 4 plus 9x square dx. Okay, again if you remove common in this, 1 by 9, 1 by 9 is common means 4 by 9 plus x square dx. Then 1 by 9 is a constant. Integration of 4 can be written as 2 by 3 whole square plus x square dx. Again, it is in the form of integration of 1 by x square plus a square dx is equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. If you apply the formula 1 by 9, then here integration 1 by a means 2 by 3 tan inverse of x by 2 by 3 plus c. Then 1 by 9, then 3 by 2 tan inverse of 3x by 2 plus c. Then if you cancel 3 3s are, then 1 by 6 tan inverse of 3x by 2 plus c. Take down the next problem. Integration of 1 by 4a minus 9x square dx. So in this you can remove the common as a 9. If you remove common 9, 4 by 9 minus x square dx. Again 1 by 9 is a constant. Integration of 2 by 3 whole square minus x square dx. So it is in the form of integration of 1 by 1 by a square minus x square dx is equal to 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x plus c. Then if you apply the formula 1 by 9 is a constant, then 1 by 2a means 2 by 3 then log of 2 by 3 plus x by 2 by 3 minus x plus c. Then 1 by 9, then we can write it as 3 by 4 log of, to take LCM, 2 plus 3x by 3 by 2 plus 2 minus 3x by 3 plus c. 3 get cancelled. The 3 1s are 3 3s are. Then 1 by 12 log of 2 plus 3x by 2 minus 3x plus c. Okay, take down the next problem. Integration of cos by 4 plus sin square x. Okay, so in this I have to use the identity and you have to do the substitution method also. So integration of 1 by 4 plus sin square x into cos x dx. Okay, let us take sin x is equal to t and differentiation of sin x is cos x dt by dx. Then cos x dx is equal to dt. So here integration of 1 by 2 square plus t square dt, and it is in the form of integration of 1 by a square plus x square dx. Then a square plus x square dx. So let us apply the formula here. It is in the form of tan inverse 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. This is the formula. Okay, let us apply here 1 by 2 tan inverse of t by 2 plus c. Then t value is 1 by 2 tan inverse of sin x by 2 plus c. Take down the next problem. Integration of secant square x by 3 plus 4 tan square x dx. Okay, so let us write this was on 1 by 3 plus 4 tan square x into secant square x dx. Then tan x is equal to t. Tan x differentiation is secant square x is equal to dt by dx. Then secant square x dx is equal to dt. Okay, then substitute here. Before going to substitute, remove the common in this half. Let us substitute first 1 by 3 plus 4 t square into dt. Then if you remove common in this, 1 by 4 is in common means 3 by 4 plus t square dt. Okay, then 1 by 4 is in constant, integration of 1 by square root of 3 by 2 whole square plus t square dt. Okay, then apply the formula. It is in the form of, so 1 by 4 is in constant, then 1 by a means root 3 by 2 tan inverse of t by root 3 by 2 plus c. Then 1 by 4 into 2 by root 3 tan inverse of 2t by root 3 plus c. Again t value is to 1s are 2 2s are, then 1 by 2 root 3 tan inverse of t value is 2 into tan x, 2 tan x by root 3 plus c. Take down the next problem. Integration of cos x by 4 plus 9 sin square x. Okay, so let us take here into dx, that is equal to 1 by 4 plus 9 sin square x dx, and means cos x dx. Okay, so here let us substitute sin x is equal to t. So differentiation of this is cos x is equal to dt by dx. Then cos x dx is equal to dt. Then let us substitute in this 1 by 4 plus 9 t square dt. Then if you remove 9 as uncommon, 1 by 9 outside means 4 by 9 plus t square dt. Then 1 by 9 is constant, then this can be written as 2 by 3 whole square plus t square dt, and it is in the form of tan inverse. Okay, then apply the form identity. 1 by 9 into 1 by a means 2 by 3 tan inverse of t by 2 by 3 plus c. Then 1 by 9 into 3 by 2 tan inverse of 3t by 2 plus c. 3 1s are 3 3s are, then 1 by 6 tan inverse of 3 into t means sin x by 2 plus c. Okay, take down the assignment questions. Integration of 1 by 1 plus 4x square dx. Then second one, integration of 1 by 25x square minus 4 dx. The next third one, 1 by root of x square plus 8 dx. Then fourth one, 3x square by 16 plus x cube whole square dx. Then fifth one, x by 9 plus x to the power of 4 dx. Then sixth one, x square by 64 plus x to the power of 6 dx. Then seventh one, x by 4 minus 9x square dx. Then eighth one, integration of sin x by 3 plus 4 cos square x dx. Then ninth one, integration of sin x by 4 plus 9 cos square x dx. The next 10th one, integration of secant square x by 2 plus tan square x dx. The next 11th one, integration of cos x by 16 minus 7 cos square x dx. Next 12th one, integration of secant square x by tan square ex minus 4 dx. The next 13th one, integration of solve the 12 questions, okay, as an assignment, okay.